So welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. In the previous video I have talked about Fiverr affiliates, and as well as I will talk about Fiverr affiliates in this video. I have talked about Fiverr affiliates, about a hybrid strategy in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, you should watch that video to understand what I'm gonna say in this video. So here in this video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates with the hybrid strategy that I have applied and got so much results. First of all, I will show you my earnings. $908.44 I have earned in previous 4 days actually. So cause there are New Year's and Christmas days are coming, and I have implemented all strategies, hybrid strategies together, and I have earned this amount. So you can earn this amount as well. So I will show you each and everything in this video, that how you can make this type of amount. And also I will talk about that hybrid strategy means that where you can promote, if you're gonna promote some Fiverr affiliates gig. Let's suppose Fiverr gig you are gonna promote, like for example video animation, SEO, social media marketing, or any gig. So you will implement hybrid strategy. This is actually my own strategy that I put all efforts together, means email marketing, means Pinterest, Quora, Medium, article biz, and every method, Facebook. So here in this video I will talk about TikTok and Instagram Reels, where you can promote your Fiverr affiliate gigs and get results. So because I have made video about email marketing, I have made video about Quora, Pinterest, Medium, article biz. If you are new, you can watch a playlist, so you will understand that what I am going to say in this video. So I didn't make about video about TikTok and Instagram, so I will cover up this one in this video, so you will understand that what you gonna do in next. I will quickly explain about Fiverr affiliates. You will go to the dashboard, Fiverr affiliates, then you will click over here commission plan if you are new, because many people say that please tell us in details, so I should tell you. Okay, so here you can see Fiverr CPA commission means whenever you promote some gig, so cost per action commission, you will get commission $150 for Fiverr Pro, $50, and different categories will require different amounts. So this is so simple and so easy. And how you can create your account, you can check my playlist and you will understand that how you can do this. Simple, very simple. You will you don't have to be freelancer, you will just do Fiverr affiliates, means affiliate marketing. You will not require any skills, you will not require any tools, or you will not become a freelancer. Even you are just going to promote freelancers gigs and you will get commission. Okay, so this is super simple, easy, and I don't think so there is no skills required in this method, in this platform. So Fiverr affiliates is different and Fiverr is different. Both are different, means this is actually a project of Fiverr. Fiverr gives affiliates program, but both are separate, so don't get confused. Fiverr, this means this one is Fiverr dashboard where freelancers give services. So for example, I'm going to click over here video, that means video editing. Okay, for example, I'm going to click over here video editing for YouTube. So I will select something. I'm going to paste this one. Then make sure whenever you're going to promote some freelancers gig, make sure the rating should be high, means above the 5 stars, and reviews should be high as well. Okay, so and make sure whenever you select some gig, you will select United States dollars, so it will give you an idea that which type of gig you are going to promote and which type of amount is that gig has. So for example, I will do professional video editing, YouTube editing. This person is charging $50, and I will do professional video editing for YouTube. This person is charging $25. So this person has good ratings, good reviews. I'm gonna click over here, and after that you can see over here the basic is 50, standard is 100, and premium is $175. Means if any person buys services from this gig, you will get commission 9 orders in queue. Fiverr's choice level 2 seller. That's good. What here, you will just need to copy the link. This is the random example to get to understand that how you can promote your affiliate links, how you will promote. Okay, so after that you will go to the dashboard, your affiliate dashboard, and then you will click over here, marketing tools, default and deep links, LP URL. Click over here, paste over here the link, then check and check. Uncheck means link will be shortened, and check means link will be longer. The thing is, the basic things are cleared over here. Now let's move to the method. So guys, this is my Instagram account, so you can follow this account as well. So here you will see that this is absolutely new account which I have created. So you can see I clicked over here reels, and you can see 1005, 1010, 668, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days videos I have uploaded and got this type of results. I have different account about where I promote affiliate links as well. So you can do this type of videos, you can make this type of video, but you don't need to be make videos about yourself. This is the personal, actually this is the account about digital helping, so I create videos, so that's why this is the random channel. So you can make this type of videos. Okay, you will click over here. For example, you can make this type of amount. You can record your screen with your mobile phone, and as well as you can create your reel with Canva with text form, and you can put background music, and you will put your affiliate link in the comments. Okay, so I hope this will clear you that how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate gigs through Instagram. I am telling you that never go for the posts or any other thing, just go for reels. Put the background music. You can get background music from Instagram as well. You can make Instagram reels on Canva as well. Or if you are a graphic designer, you can do Adobe or different tools from. But if you are a beginner, you can use Canva. Simple and very easy. So I will show you that how you can do this. After that, guys, you will go to the Canva, then you will write over there Instagram. It will give you the option of Instagram reel. Click over here, and then it will give you different type of templates. So you will not require any skill. That will be superb and easier for you. So here you can see New Year's Eve event menu. Okay, so let's suppose I'm going to click over here, and then what you gonna do over here, you will just put in the title New Year's offer. You can get your video editing services from Fiverr. Just click over here, something like that. Do you understand what I am saying? Means you are going to promote people, and you will encourage them to buy that particular gig services from your affiliate link. Then it will be super easier for you to get sales and commission. Very simple. Then you will just need to changing over here, and that's it. And after creating this type of 15 to 20 second video, and you will put in your Instagram reel, you will create a page, and then you will put your Instagram in your Instagram reel. Definitely you will get thousands of views within days. Yes, of course, if you are going to make catchy reel, you will get thousands of views, and then whenever any person click from your affiliate link, it will redirect to Fiverr, and If they buy some service, you will get commission. Super simple and super easy. And guys, same thing you will implement on TikTok, right? You will create an account on TikTok, and you can put same reel on TikTok, and you will start getting views. And after that, actually this method is for wider audience. This is not a targeted audience method. This is the wider audience method, but I have received so much results with wide audience. And you can put your affiliate links in comments. That's super simple. So you will not require any landing page in this method. Just go to the Fiverr affiliates, make an account, select gig, copy, paste, and you can simply do this type of easy work that I have explained in this video. So if you are interested for email marketing and different things, that I have already told you that I have implemented hybrid method. That was my own method, and I have already told you Medium, article based, Quora, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook groups. So I have implemented these type of things together. That's why I am earning this type of amount. So don't try to be stick on one platform. You have to go for different things. You can implement different things and change the strategy. So I have given you the marvelous and amazing thing that if you put together with hybrid strategy, so you will definitely get results, and you can boost your affiliate marketing, Fiverr affiliate sales. So this will be an easier. You can select 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9, 10 gigs together and start promoting. You will definitely get results amazingly within 24, 48 hours or 72 hours, right? So hope this video will become a very helpful for you. If you want me to create more videos about Fiverr affiliates or affiliate marketing, so I'll make more videos about. And if you have any type of question, you can ask me in comments freely, so I will definitely give you answer. And I have already shown you that. You can see over here that people are earning after watching my videos, and these are the results from people that have earned this type of amount. So I have put these screenshots on my Instagram, and you can watch as well. So thank you very much and take care. Goodbye.